Okay, so here we are at the pupil portal, accessed through Shevington High School website. I've got a few options here, but I'm going to click into Classroom to get to my Google Classroom. Oops. There we go. So once I've entered, I'll see all of my different classrooms which I could have a look at. And click onto the first one. Now I have a stream of information, so this will be a mixture of posts and maybe some messages from my teacher, or I can click the second option, which is classwork, and there's a list of all the tasks that have ever been set. At the end we've got the people option, which lists all the classmates and my teacher who I can email directly. So in my stream, if I click the first one and I get my most recent assignment, so I can see here that this assignment's due tomorrow. I can see in the right hand side where my work is. There's a Google slide here, and there's a Word document which is some reading, and importantly here at the bottom is the rubric. So if I want to have a look through the rubric, I can read it here. So I can click on Google Slides first of all, and I can see the information which my teacher has shared with me. So that's a little bit like the PowerPoint that you would have up maybe on the screen when you're in your lesson. So you can look, and there might be some important information on there. When I'm ready to begin my work, on the right hand side I can click where there's going to be a document that's been left for you. So you can start writing all of your different answers and classwork and so on. So check all the way down to the bottom. Make sure that you've done all of the tasks, and when you're ready you would just click turn in here. Now if at any point you were struggling with your work and you needed a bit more support from your teacher, we can always go back here and use the private comment function, and that sends a message directly to your teacher, and when your teacher's responded it will come up in this corner as well. So when I'm ready to hand my work in, when I'm happy with the work, I can either click it here, turn in, or from here again I can press hand in. So I'll just check, am I sure? And there we go, the work has been sent to the teacher. What's going to happen next is your teacher would be marking that, and when that's been marked, this rubric here, you'll get a grade. So it will be a mark usually out of 4, and it will be coloured in along here, and you can click down and check which one you've achieved. So your what went well would be highlighted, so if you've got silver that would be your what went well, and then you might need to have a look at the criteria above if you wanted to add anything extra. Your teacher might have also given you some feedback, some written feedback, which again would appear down here as a private comment.